Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a user and assign roles in Zoho Books. Managing users and roles is essential for controlling access to your financial data and ensuring that your team can work efficiently. First, log into your Zoho Books account, open your browser, go to the Zoho Books website, and click Sign In at the top right. From your dashboard, click the Settings icon, Gear, to access various account settings. In the menu, scroll down and select Users and Roles. Inside the Users and Roles section, click on Users. Here you can view, invite, and manage existing users. To invite a new user, click the Invite User button. Fill in the user's name and email address. Ensure the email is correct, as Zoho will use it to send the invitation. Next, assign a role to the user. Roles define what a user can and cannot do within Zoho Books. For example, Basic can view invoices and Limited Access Manager can perform most tasks except account level changes. Admin, full access to all features. After reviewing all details, click Send. The new user will receive an email with instructions to accept the invitation and access Zoho Books according to the assigned role. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new user and set their role in Zoho Books. Properly managing users and roles ensures your data stays secure and your team can work efficiently. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing Zoho Books.